Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need ripe, flavorful tomatoes, some fresh herbs like basil, and aromatic vegetables such as onions and garlic. Don't forget good quality olive oil, vegetable broth, and your favorite seasonings. Make sure you have a sturdy pot and a blender ready. Now, let's build the foundation of our soup. Begin by finely chopping your onions and garlic. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your pot over medium heat, then add the chopped aromatics. Sauté them gently until they become soft and wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add your diced tomatoes and cook them until they start to break down. Once your tomatoes have softened, it's time to add the liquid. Pour in about 4 cups of vegetable broth, ensuring everything is well covered. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together. After simmering, carefully transfer the soup to a blender or use an immersion blender to achieve a perfectly smooth consistency. Almost there. Now taste your soup and adjust the seasonings. Add salt, pepper, and perhaps a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. For a richer, creamier texture, you can stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream or milk. Serve your delicious homemade tomato soup warm, garnished with fresh basil leaves and a drizzle of good olive oil. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.